Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to test the 4G data speed test when the signals are really low. As you can see friends, right now the signals are really low, which is close to 1 bar. So what's happening is that in the POCO X3, when the signals are really low, the 4G data connection becomes particularly very low. So in other smartphones, you'll be seeing the speeds of up to 3 or 4 or 5 Mbps. But in this POCO X3, you will be seeing the speeds are up to maybe maximum 1 Mbps, or sometimes even below 1 Mbps friends. So this is what happening with the POCO X3. So after the recent updates, every time I do get, I'll be checking the speed test as well. So in my studio, most of the time the signals will be really low. So let's see friends, right now with the recent update, whether it got impacted or not. So let me try to quickly show you the software update what I am using. So my version is of 12.0.8. So maybe yours must be the 12.0.9 version maybe, but mine is 12.0.8. So let's see friends whether it got affected or not. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more latest information friends. So right now I am using the 4G. As you can see, I was able to get now 3 Mbps and 2 Mbps. So with the 1 bar, as you can see, that's a kind of good improvement when you compare with the previous test which I did. So previously when I did, I think it was this is the highest I got at that time, 1.42 Mbps. But right now I did see a little bit kind of improvement. Sometimes the test doesn't even complete 100%, so you will be getting some kind of error message. So maybe that's what's happening right now. The upload is not working at the moment. As you can see, it's not getting the speeds, the upload. So it still stays as 0, as you can see friends. So let me try to start the test again. So I think it's not the upload is not working at the moment, but overall you can see the 4G signals, sometimes it will definitely disappear, and sometimes you get 3 bars, sometimes no bars at all in this POCO X3. Still that problem is there. So right now I was able to get 2.4. So before, as I said, it was about 1 Mbps, but right now I'm getting about 3 Mbps and 2 Mbps. I think 4G data maybe little bit got improved, I guess, but let's see. I think again the upload speeds we are not getting the upload speeds, but this can be the download speeds friends. So upload, you can see 0.01 Mbps. Sometimes we did not even get, so 0 Mbps for the upload speeds, as you can see clearly. So this happens only when I'm inside my studio room. So maybe if I go outside to do the same kind of testings, the signal will be more. So then I might be able to get pretty much high speeds. So let me try to go outside and do the speed test as well, so you'll understand what's the difference actually is, how much it's a difference. So in my studio I am getting only 2 Mbps, and now it's even less than 2 Mbps. So overall 2 Mbps I was able to get in my studio. So now let me try to go outside and do the testing. So now I came outside to do the testings, and let's see friends what will be the results are. So if I am staying outdoor, so you can see still the same results we are getting even indoors or outdoors. So little bit got improved, as you can see. So when I'm in the outdoor with the same signal bar, I'm getting about 10 Mbps at the moment. So before I got only 2 and 1 Mbps. So indoor signal reception is kind of really not great for the POCO X3. As you can see friends, 10 Mbps I got with the outdoor testing with the same signal bar. So overall friends, the problem with the 4G data connection is still there, but I think a little bit got fixed, but it did not get fixed completely. I can definitely see the difference, but slightly it got better, I would say. So make sure to comment below friends, what are your thoughts? Is it 4G signal from your mobile phone, it got improved or not? So make sure to comment below as well. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.